everybody, my name is Alessandra Volker and I'm here to invite you to my class, The Raccoon. What are we going to do in this class? We are going to talk about value, color value, how to find color value. We are going to learn how to thread sketch, okay? How to thread sketch. And we are going to learn how to use sharpies. See? These are all sharpies. How to use sharpies on fabric. And how to mix sharpies on fabric, all right? So we are going to have loads of fun and you're going to love it. And I'm waiting for you in this class, okay? Come to my class number 200.